Right now we're gonna do the fourth part of the Wireshark lab. As you can see here, I'm ready to advance a bit. Okay, so we have got the URL with the guy mask. I already put in Wireshark, and for question 16, they're asking how many GET request methods there is in our path. There are 4 GET requests that about a sentence, and they're asking us what the internet did with the GET request sent. Okay, the internet addresses like that was sent for the GET request. Like for the first one was file return, which is shown for Wireshark. The second one was the get Pearson, which was used for the I guess the book image. How should I say? Wireshark. The the PNG image, I believe. PNG version of the 8th edition. Okay. Hold on. Sorry, I had a little error that I made. Okay. The second request was get Pearson, which that was used, which was with the second request was used for the PNG image of that book. The third one request was for the how should I say the 8th edition cover. Let me write get favicon, I believe. Get favicon was used for the 8th edition cover, and we move on to the fourth one later. Hold on. Ah, yes, and that's what you used. The fourth one was for the for the 8th edition JPG image. Hold on. Now, if it's asking us for 17, can you tell whether you're about to download the two immediately or whether they were downloaded from the two websites in parallel and explain? Okay, so wait a moment, I need to come up with that. Well, I can say for the question is that they were downloaded parallelly. How do I know that? because I'm looking at the packet 151 and 196, so I'm gonna get them download parallel on a guess, and since they were both downloaded at the same time from the two websites. Alright, parallelly, since they were both downloaded at the same time. And this evidence could be provided from the time here and they were downloaded parallel because they were downloaded at the same time. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll move on to part 5, which will be the final end of the packet.